Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are recording the unpackaging of my November Medusa's makeup subscription. Before we get into this, I am wearing two of the new products I recently purchased and mentioned in my haul video that you will have seen before this video, I believe. So the first product I'm wearing is from the Kimchi and Plastic Tiara face palette, and I am wearing this blush here at the bottom. I don't know what, I'm not sure what the name of that blush is actually. I'm not sure, but it is really pretty, just lightly applied. And I'm also wearing the lip gloss from the collection, so I'll have that linked down below if you guys are interested in Kimchi's makeup. It's really nice quality. Now to get into our Medusa's makeup subscription. So here is our card for the month. There's a big old grapefruit and one of their beautiful models. It says Glow Up, and it looks like this month we are getting 5 products. So let's go ahead and open the little protective baggie. The first product here looks like a makeup face scrubber thing. Yep, it's real soft. So this is the Medusa's Makeup Remover Pad. It's a $5 value. So, yep, that's exactly what it is. I have never actually used one of these. I got one a long time ago in another box. I just gave it away because I'm like, these feel gimmicky. I think I'm actually going to give this one a try. We'll see how it goes. And the next item in here is the Medusa's Baked Eyeshadow in the color Woke, which is a $14 value. So it is one of the ones that come in the purple packaging. And if I open it up, you can see it is a very yellow gold. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Oh yeah, it shows up on the skin like that too. Very true yellow gold. It's really pretty actually. Really pretty. Let me get that off my finger so we can move on to other items. I have several of these Medusa's Makeup Baked Domed Eyeshadows, and all of them just apply beautifully. They look stunning on the lid. Now this one is going to be interesting because this is the first one I've received that's really like kind of a color and not just a metallic, although this can definitely fall into just like a metallic tone, but it's like a straight up yellow kind of gold. It's really beautiful, but I'm gonna have to see how this actually looks on me. I'm a little nervous about it. The next item we have in here is from Medusa's Makeup, and this is their tinted lip balm in the color DM, which is a $14 value. We've gotten a few of these in the past. I think at least one other one. Let me look. Yes, we've gotten one other one in the past in the color Spicy. So the color DM looks like it's kind of a reddish tone. Let's go ahead and swatch that. And it's got a lot of color to it for being a tinted lip balm, so that's gonna look really nice on the lips, and it is kind of a reddish tone, so that's really pretty. And actually I do think those two colors will look nice on the face together. The next item we have in here is a collaborative brand. This is from Peony, and I guess this product is called Pink Glow. Their packaging is really nice. If the camera will, there we go. It's fun packaging. So let's see, this is the Peony Pink Glow Highlighter Stick, a $22 value, which is pretty significant. So let's go ahead and, well, as you can see, mine has all the way fell into the lid and tumbled around in there. It's all over the lid, so mine must have come detached from the inner plastic part. I'm going to try and do this in a way that does not make a big mess, try to push it back in. I'm going to contact them to see if they'll send me one that's not damaged. But let me swatch this one for you for now on my skin. So here we go. It is that bottom swatch. And as far as the highlight goes, it is very pigmented. Very pigmented. But if you blend it out, it does kind of blend out nicely. But I don't know that I would even call it a highlight at that point. You could kind of maybe put this over a blush for a very, very, very faint sheen. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about that product. I'm gonna have to go over to my window and really look at it in the light after I'm done recording to see how I feel about it, because you kind of can't hardly see it anymore. The sheen is very, very faint. It's almost more like a blush than a highlighter in my opinion, once it's blended out. So yeah, kind of annoying that it came damaged, although that could have happened in the mail. We all know these packages get thrown around from truck to sorting facility, so who knows how that even happened. But I'm sure they will reimburse me with one that is not going to fall out if I turn it upside down. So yeah, interesting product. I need to look at that in the natural light, see how I feel about it. And the last product we have is the Medusa's Makeup Afterglow Facial Serum. This is a $16 value, and it's a serum. So you know how I feel. We gotta look at the ingredients, and I already see the word grapefruit. So this is grape seed oil and pink grapefruit oil. So I won't be putting this on my face. I don't put citrus oils on my face. But if any of you are interested in this, I am going to be putting this product into my box for the giveaway I'll be hosting in January. So keep an eye out for that. So I know we all have different, not standards, but like different things we look for out of our skincare. And some of you might not be bothered by grapefruit oil. My skin would not care for grapefruit oil, but yeah, that's going to be in the giveaway box. So that is the November box. Really pleased with these two products, the lip balm and the eyeshadow. This, I'm just kind of a little bummed about since it came broken, but I mean, that's really not the fault of the company, so I can't hold that against them. Actually, when I hold my hand this way, there is a nice sheen coming off of it. So this I want to play with a little, but I also kind of want one that's not broken. So I'm going to email Medusa's Makeup and see what they can do about that for me. Oh, speaking of, I don't have it here. I already put it away, but Trixie Cosmetics did send me a replacement of the lip gloss that I ordered, the Ginger Spice lip gloss that arrived cracked. So just an update on that. But yeah, I'm sure they'll probably send me a non-damaged one, so that'll be nice, and then I can really play with it, because this is very tentative arrangement. It does feel like it's gonna fall out and it's wiggling around. So this month's box, this I'm not gonna use. This I'm gonna play with, but it's also only worth $5, so it's not like the meat of the box. So I guess these three things, they're alright. They're okay. I'm not mad about them. It's an alright box. It's not the most exciting box, but it's also not disappointing in any regard. So yeah, that's that. That's the November Medusa's Makeup box. I hope you guys enjoy. And I keep saying it's a box. It comes in a bag. Ooh, knocked over stuff. It comes in a bag. It's not really a box, but it's a subscription. The Medusa's Makeup subscription. Semantics. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to everything I'm wearing down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to y'all later. Bye!